Hey there, climate activists! Remember to subscribe! Have you ever wondered just how quickly our planet's glaciers are melting? Get ready, because the latest scientific analysis will blow your mind. Mountain glaciers, often called frozen rivers of ice, are a crucial source of fresh water for millions of people worldwide. But here's the kicker. These glaciers are melting faster than ever before. Since the turn of the century, they've lost about 5% of their ice. That's more than 500 billion tons. To put it in perspective, if all the world's glaciers melted, they could raise sea levels by 32 centimeters or 13 inches. And the rate of melting is only accelerating. Glacier losses have increased by over a third in the past decade alone, compared to the 2000 to 2011 period. The study behind these shocking findings combined over 230 regional estimates from 35 research teams globally. This comprehensive approach has made scientists even more confident about how fast glaciers are melting and what the future holds. Glaciers are like the canary in the coal mine for climate change. In a stable climate, they gain about as much ice through snowfall as they lose through melting. But over the past 20 years, human activities, primarily burning fossil fuels, have caused temperatures to rise. As a result, glaciers are shrinking almost everywhere. Between 2000 and 2023, glaciers outside of Greenland and Antarctica lost approximately 270 billion tons of ice annually. That's equivalent to the water consumption of the entire global population in 30 years, assuming 3 liters per person per day. Every year, glaciers lose mass, and this trend is worsening. In just 1 year, between 2023 and 2024, glaciers are estimated to have lost 550 billion tons. Some areas are being hit particularly hard. Central Europe, for example, has lost 39% of its glacier ice in just over 2 decades. This study, published in the journal Nature, is groundbreaking not because it reveals that glaciers are melting faster, we already knew that. Its strength lies in bringing together evidence from all areas of research. By systematically combining field measurements and satellite data, scientists have a much clearer picture of what's happening. Andy Shepard from Northumbria University, who wasn't involved in the study, emphasized that these community estimates are vital. They give people confidence to use the findings, whether they're climate scientists, governments, industries, or anyone concerned about global warming. Glaciers take years to decades to adapt to a changing climate, meaning they will continue to melt in the coming years. But here's the crucial part. The amount of ice lost by the end of the century will heavily depend on how much we continue to warm the planet. Meeting global climate goals could mean losing a quarter of the world's glacier ice. If warming continues unchecked, we could lose nearly half. Every tenth of a degree of warming we can avoid will save some glaciers and prevent a lot of damage. Remember, what happens to the glaciers doesn't stay there. Glacier meltwater acts as a giant reservoir, protecting populations from drought. Their retreat means less water. The global repercussions are significant. Even small rises in sea levels can drastically increase the frequency of coastal flooding. Since 1900, sea levels have already risen by more than 20 centimeters, with half of that increase since the early 1990s. More rises are expected in the coming decades. YA right. So what can we do? Hit that subscribe button. Every action we take to reduce carbon emissions counts. Let's work together to save our glaciers and protect our planet. Thanks for tuning in. Stay informed, stay active, and stay hopeful. Peace out.